For this recipe, I am taking here 1 cup of wheat flour or atta, salt, half a teaspoon of salt, and mix it well. And I'm going to add here 1 teaspoon of oil, white oil, and mix it well all together. And we'll make a dough by adding some water. This is the best tiffin which I have found, that the kids always skip the tiffin during lunchtime, but if you give this, I'm sure your kids will love it and they'll have it. So after making the dough, I'm applying here 1 teaspoon of oil and again kneading it, and I'll cover it for 20 minutes. In another pan, I'm going to add some dry chilies, whole chilies, and fry it, and I'll take it out. And in the same oil, I'm going to fry 1 medium-sized chopped onions till it's translucent in color. And now I'll take it out, and I will add here some boiled potatoes, and I'll mash it, season it with some salt to taste, and mix it well again. And now I'll add here some handful of chopped coriander leaves here, fresh, and mix it. And now it's the time to go to the dough. After 20 minutes, my dough is set now. Now I'll knead it again, and I'll divide into portions. You can roll it like puri size, or the best way what I'm making here is that, see the process. I'll dust it my kitchen top with some wheat flour or maida, and now I will roll it into a large roti size. Because we are making here mini tacos, so I will roll this into roti size or more than that, and take a bowl, and just, if you have a cutter, cookie cutter, then you can cut it with the cookie cutter, or else you can do it like this. See, 3 to 4 this kind of tacos will come out. Normally tacos are made with flour, but I have avoided flour here. I'm making it with wheat flour to make it more healthy. Now I'm going to heat a pan, tawa. Into it I'm going to just roast it a little bit, and then I'm going to take out, and see, my tacos are quite ready now. You can store this in a Ziploc bag for 7 days. And now I'm applying some tomato ketchup, and then I will add here grated mozzarella cheese, or any cheese you have at your home, you can add this. And then I will add the mashed potatoes, and again I will add some grated cheese on top. Now I will just overlap it to close the lid and stick together properly. And now I'm going to add some oil in the tawa, and with slow flame I'm going to place this so that it's brown in color, crispy, and I'll just flip it once one side is done slowly. I'll just brush with some oil on top, and it's very slow flame, just hit it to get it crispy. When one side is done, then I'm going to flip it to do the other side too. See, it has been done well. And just remember that you should do it in slow flame and flip it from all the sides so that it's well cooked and well fried. And I have a little bit of the one side, little bit you need to be done, so I'm going to keep this standing like this so that it is fried from all the sides. And our mini tacos is ready to serve. You can add here some veggies too with the potato, and now just wrap it in a foil paper and put it in the tiffin box of your kid, and I'm sure they'll love it.